Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide following or follower list on Instagram. So essentially, you cannot hide your following or follower list on Instagram. Your followers still can see your following and follower list, but the other account that not yet following you, or the account that unfollow you, cannot see your following follower list anymore if you private your account. So all you have to do right now is open the settings and activity of your account. You can go to your profile and tap three stripes at the top of your screen. So this is the settings and activity page. You can scroll down and you can turn on private account. This one, you can tap this account privacy option, and please turn this on, private account. Here, switch to the private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. So you can switch to private and done. So the strangers cannot see your following and follower list anymore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.